Top stories. Infuriated Kaino locals blocked Tirim Road demanding quick justice in Siamo killing. Oinam Water Supply Scheme official rubbishes Salai Holdings Private Limited's claim. And small-scale industry proves a boon for the state economy. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Tabang giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Infuriated locals of Kaino within Bisnupur district today enforced an indefinite ban in the area over the alleged failure of the authorities to find the truth behind the suspicious circumstances surrounding the death of a local man. The large number of protesting residents also blocked Tirim Road streets at Kaino Thongkha, disturbing traffic movement. However, they suspended the strike following intervention by local MLA Laistram Radhakishore, who assured the Joint Action Committee JAC, which has been seeking justice in the death of Thiam Siamo, a 22-year-old man from Kaino Thongthak Awanglekai. To fulfill their demands, Siamo, a driver, was mysteriously found dead inside a stationary truck at Irengbam under Nambol police station on April 30th. One Dinesh is alleged to have killed him. JAC convener Huidrom Sanjoy told media that the ban has been suspended till May 9th after the assurance given by the MLA. Manipur government should nab the culprit and punished at the earliest, or else further agitation will be taken up after seeking support from various civil society organizations until a demand is met. The state government should also give proper compensation to the next of kin.
Ekoi local SG MLA honorable MLA ga yanabama porapadagi ekoi hariba khongjang nasi ekoi ngasi dagi tarik mapal phawa ekoi yanabama makha pona ekoi balasi yaithok chare yanabagi matungina ekoi na JCC na government gi maigai da demand of charter government Manipur da ekoi thamjari ba demand singa dudi laliba tang mapal phawi manungda Miarpa asi Manipur government na puthopiba loinana marangi matungina hariba matik chaba maralairaba myo asiu matik chaba chairak piba ani subada government na hariba matam asi phawi manungda puthopa ngamdaba taragadi Manipur da leiriba tongan ba Manipur gi sior singa loinana makal makha kaya gi khongjang changchan minaba haibasina ani suba ahum subada laikidraba imung manungda Manipur government gi maigai dagi matik chaba compensation piba haiba wapamsi yanabagi matungina ekoi ngasigi balasi ekoi khongjangsi handok chabani aina media gi thongda thamjari.
Thiam Ongbi Bema, wife of late Thiam Siamo, said her husband was having food in the kitchen on April 29 around 1 p.m. when Dinesh, the main suspect in the case, came and called out him until he was found dead inside a truck owned by the suspect, who is a resident of Oinam Awanglekai, Bisnupur district. The mother demanded that the culprit be arrested, punished without any delay.
Thawdoksigi matangda ai hajaningbadi Dinesh aigi poroiba chak charaga lejabani Dinesh na pung ama taba matamna yumda laaga nungthingi ama da laaga Dinesh na aigi poroiba puthokibani nongalaga Dinesh ki gari da aigi poroiba asibagi hakjang oina phange adubu ai Dinesh na hatpani na ai sumlai mano yumde puthokiba asib hakjang masa Dinesh ki gari da lairambani adubu ai noji hajaningbadi aidi Yumung sida nupam popu like imam cha khoi khatani atubu achumba mishi ji matang de yamnu supinde mi hat pasi matik chaba dandi pi bu su pami achumba porak bu su pami aduga pi be cha ji aiga kari sura ingani mapa su leitre kana su lejate ai cha ji patanga ji dai kushinjara.
The assistant engineer who is in charge of Oinam Water Supply Scheme has rubbished the reports that Salai Holdings Private Limited has restored the water supply scheme and started providing drinking water to over 11,000 residents of the area. Assistant Engineer K. Kula informed this during a press meet at the office of PHED Number Subdivision today. He demanded chairman of the private company Narengbam Samarjit to clarify his claim. Kula said the Oinam water supply scheme currently does not supply drinking water to consumers as repair work is on the pond, which is the feeder of the scheme.
Salai Holdings Private Limited na Oinam water supply scheme si semjin biduna sahi kaya ising pithak tana imung lising taramathoi wahan dana leiraba ama ngarang si Salai Holdings Private Limited na semjin biduna ising thare haibase masi ai ngak tabangamti ai pami Oinam water supply scheme gi assistant engineer ama oina aina ngarang thagi bi sing do glass phadra su drop to so thak pa pami mase Salai Holdings gi lausira natragana kanada gi lausi gi haibase ai hangjaning.
Executive Engineer L. Gokulchandra said he was also surprised to learn that the water supply scheme has started functioning, while appealing to Salai Holdings Private Limited not to commit such a blunder in future. Everyone can come and witness the ground reality, he said.
Ising thabasu leite hojik maramdi hariba mafam aduda ising thanabagi yokta leiba pukri adu ising almost singkhatpa ngamdana phut ani ahum dagi hena ising yaudana leiriba mafam ni aduna kamai tawdana mafam asida sahi asuk sangna ising piraktab ngasi ising thare haina kamai tawna haribano haibiji akhoisu angakpa poi department asina asuk phajana chen chongdana honajariba asida mafam marang khangdana heta ising piba hore haidna haribasi akhoi gidi yamna laibak thibani hana logjai sida amma laaga amma mo hai tawbasi matungdadi tawbiganu achummada haibibo oragadi akhoi mateng pangjage matungdadi asigumba lana haijanbase yari makai tawbiganu adu laibak prajana miyamna ising tharaba thadabra haibado oinamgi khulakta laiba water supply scheme aduda satlaga yengbiu.
A team of media persons also went to the water supply scheme site to clear the claim and counterclaim. Section officer of PHED Number Subdivision and T.H. Norin, pump operator of Oinam water supply scheme, O. Amen, were also present there. Small-scale industries in Manipur are helping in increasing employment and economic growth. There are entrepreneurs who need help from the government to sustain and expand their business, which is considered to be the engine of economic growth. Here is an exclusive report.
Although most people like government jobs to sustain livelihood, there are several individuals who are taking off entrepreneurship to earn their living. Making mitai bori has long become one of the most important means of livelihood for many people in Manipur. Bori is a common and basic ingredient used in preparing delicious dishes in many households. In an industrially backward state like Manipur, such small-scale industries like making mitai bori has become a boon for the state economy. The startup of this business doesn't require that much investment, and many individuals are running their families smoothly through this business.
Akoi si thabak sure ise sei trang amuk pudi sure ise koi nimpok sina hujik na thai na di nimpoina sarambani moi mamoi tawda koi ni yahoraga kaino tawraga nimpoina ki theng ka gramina koi na mahu silore da di nimpongna yole dum po chai se yolaga sina koi na dum imong manung sijina ba maku mata kai ka koi sina loi puri ne da icha gi laik tam bagi free nung ben bara doing toy ne ba sina adana sina dum hona re da da hoina budi tongan ba moi gi dum ngamja ba bi tawja ba koi gi oina di sina sinpham ne ba koi choglai na ne ba bori je sari je choglai je koi khappani dana aduga isingda ting doi ne ba nong ma jima duga nonga laga chamani maku je nei ani dana nei laga cham doi ne ba cham ba loraga mu hanga maku je loi chalang ra kan da lokhalle dana duga koi grinder da tak doi ne ba thaina di grinder da budi tak na ramde nung da somban da suraga nung noi ta ame ba hojikti grinder do tak na re ba dukan da koi ngasai machal maru marang mayam je ha pa kan da maina thitlaga sare ne ba
This food item comes in many shapes and sizes: round, flat, big, and aigya bori. Aigya bori and big bori are more common as people use them in religious and grand feast.
문바세 할때 아코이는 팍파야 배 타이밍지디 미닛 망아 따라묵디 좀 짱네바 아두가 puरा 문나 깍나 파워박이디 아코이는 시면데 하팔로라간 뿡 아니 어hum묵디 짱네바 시 깍나바 파워박다 하이디 시 아코이는 노가다 ngasi lupa 1,000부터 사바 무탄데 1,000묵디 좀 챈동네 아두는 시나 아코이 좀 이자 라이 따만바 이뭉기 아이디 포빵 제바 마루 벽션바 좀 바잉암네 si ako'y music si ngasi sayo po sa nungala ko doon po dam neba ay boren mo na pasaje ko ni tinjar dam tipira dam neba ani bisi na dum ko ne dara hoy budi dum mara ma tam moy ngam jaba kai ka thaba ko di taw jaba ako'y di sina dum na taw re ba to ko sin ban pai tre.
As the saying goes, every job has its own dignity. Many individuals are now even leading a lavish lifestyle after taking off this business, which is also providing employment to so many people. Sagolban Sayang, Thangzam Lairag, and Bamon Laikai are popular bori making places.
Aina laira easy sahi taramuta ngairi 하나니 아코이 이nempo 오이나 adum tawrame sigi sinpamji degi adum akoy imungi chalaiba degi imungi makup madai degi isagi angangi kaiga adum sijanabadi adum sigi sinpamjina adum lempa ko nai.
Adopting any job that one could engage and earn money will help improve the state economy, and the onus is on the state government to provide all possible help to every entrepreneurs.
The Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren has extended his greetings to the people of Manipur, especially the Muslim community, on the occasion of holy month of Ramjan. In his message, Biren said that the holy month of Ramjan is one of the 5 pillars of Islam and a great opportunity for all Muslims to purify their mind, body, heart and soul by fasting and praying to Almighty Allah. The act of fasting is a practice of perseverance and self-restraint which gives strength to both body and mind, he stated. The Chief Minister in his message further said, "May the holy month of Ramjan bring peace and happiness in the state and enhance the spirit of harmonious living in the society." The problem of traffic congestion, traffic chaos in Imphal city is becoming a normal part of life for every commuters. But the big question is, who is responsible for this traffic management facing the city? We bring you an exclusive report on this.
It appears that the principle of safety comes first, better late than never, and self-discipline is almost forgotten and ignored by every drivers, commuters and pedestrians. Such negligence is an obvious factor in the high road accident rate. Apart from this, excessive honking causes noise pollution and creates traffic chaos and confusion. According to data obtained from Transport Department, Government of Manipur, the total number of road accidents registered from January to September 2018 was 410. Of this, the number of fatalities is 94, while the number of injured is 703. Still, the city witnesses a slow pace of decreases in the accident rate with 5.74% of deaths and 8.81% of injuries. In an exclusive interview, Superintendent of Police, Traffic Control Wing Manipur, Koisnam Sharma, an MPS officer, shares few reasons accountable for traffic congestion and road accidents and also suggested valuable measures to control the menace.
चारक्तबा अमसुंग खुदोंग थीबा हाइबसे मसी लंबी सिबु सिजनरिबा मिपुम खुदिंग मक्की मागी दायित्वनि हाइना थमजगे लोइनना ngसागी लंबी सुरोक हाइबसी द सिजनरिबसी अखोई मागी स्टेक होल्डर सिंगसि मसिंग यामे हाइजबताई मरमदि अखोई लंबी सुरोक सिंगसिबु फजना सेमबिरिबा अखोई पब्लिक वर्क डिपार्टमेंट सिंगसिना लंबी से फहनबा तारगदि अखोई लंबी से चिनबगी चांग अमसुंग लंबी से ngसाई खुदोंग थीबगी चांग से हंदगनि हाइन थमजगे रोड सिंगसिदा अखोई इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट ना electric ki pole sing yung bi adu masisu ako we need a good coordination between electricity department, works department, then the water resources department who lay pipelines, then telecom department who lay telephone lines. There needs to be a good coordination whenever there has to be some developmental or construction work, so that if there is any diversion in road or if there is any inconvenience in the road users, then a good coordination to provide convenience to the public is being given. Municipal corporation na he karigumba lambi lamkhang da amot participation bidraba lambi da thador iba sasan sagol na ching masi phajan biraba, that is going to help in reducing the number of accident. Adigi PWD department na lambi se phajana sembiraba pothole laitraba, then the road users will be happier. We also have the role of the police department. Police department ki akogi traffic unit na so akogi offend tawriba mi sing si penalize tawbiragadi, penalty si sachet pibiragadi, people will have a fear of offending the traffic rule. That is our duty. Adigi akogi accident karigumba thokpa matamda any victim si pukhatpina ba health department na ambulance immediate response hoina provide tawbiragadi masimasu akoi to khudong sabo oini. Loina na other stakeholders such as we have the horticulture and forest department which maintains the road median.
Talking about the excessive honking while driving, she said that defaulters can be booked and punished by Manipur Pollution Control Board. She further appeals to everyone to be more sensible while using the road for public safety and also to reduce noise pollution.
Purgi oinadi no horn zone si high security zone haina akoina describe tauba GPO crossing secretariat mamang loinana Rajwan gi mamang sibu no horn zone haina akoina transport department na declare tawi hairiba jaga sing si the horn season na bayade aduga Manipur gi scenario gi oinadi akogi permitted number of decibel akogi noise ki level si hen bataragadi the Manipur Pollution Control Board is supposed to penalize those people under the Noise Pollution Act for polluting the sound level. Aduna masina ko miyoy bigi haksang do sokpa yaba hazardous oiba pot amo oibanina madu penalty piba yai. Loina na traffic ki police na so karigumba kanagumba miyoy amana bullet na traga gari masa sing sida ngasimak akogi silencer sing sibu akoina loud oihalaga offend torga chatpa matamda akoina for modifying the vehicle dugi magi pizar iba mawung du modify to bogi damakta akoina modification of vehicle sigi makhada motor vehicle eki makhada akoina makoibu modify to bogi penalty p aduga noise si hen handahan gi hairagadi akogi pollution control board na decibel hena thobiriba hazardous oiba polluted oiba noise akogi tawri myoy sing si penalty pi haningi haina I thamjage. Lambi lamkhang sing sibu seasonabiriba myoy pomna makna lambi lamkhang se japiba matamda self discipline oibiba aduga isagi kudong sabadagi lambi bu season minariba ichene naw singi kudong sabasu yengbiraga ahanba angamba tanadana lambi sing si pull up season minabagi bhabta chatminaragadi akogi lambi soro singsi hena kudong chaba phamomogani it will be safer. Loinana akogi education department na yaragadi akogi traffic ki rules and regulation and civic sense syllabus da hapiu aduga akogi future generations singsida akoi let us impart them civic sense and traffic awareness. Loinana akogi media gi chininaw singnasu traffic ki sigumba awareness si yam toina tawbiraga miyoy singsida traffic ki road ki safety and unsafety ki matangda matam chana paudam pibiu habisai thamsage.
While interacting with people from various sections such as students, office goers and drivers, they expressed their views that self-discipline or self-regulation is the key way to solve the traffic problem and that the government and traffic control wing alone should not be held accountable for traffic issues.
Park tawribasini adum wrong side to gumba park tawba asi ma'am number moduna accident se yang changwang na thokpagi chance layebo ko aduga suppose junction area have the cross gumba lambi junction area do adugumba dum traffic na control tawrikanda mi khra dum yam thu na hana thongning badong hak min amani khak leirasu dum nangadab do da yam thu ne hena thongning bagi henjin bagumba da traffic na control tawna su makoina wakal do adugi henjin thongning bagi aduda soiba su myam thengne ko aduga side park to boiro any cross of boiro so cross to boiro adu su dum isai sana gyan ta ba changani na khale
hojik zebra crossing lerise ko kaim kan na de zebra crossing la matam da dum kari thozale la le ba khoinoina la le ba ko aduna hoi fine to bana khara phagadaba male na khale
traffic ki ju chinba chindaba khangde huji naga mapan da ta sengna khoina chali je gari traffic jam oi baje moi ude tongana paisa lobagi damak moi khoi paisa launa ba katha khallaga lei aduga mayam chili do chindana ba sinba lang baje moi tawdena I wakhan lei adu masi yam nungai te masi yargi makhai di masi khoi mari leina ba jingna amtang yengsan bi ona hainjeninge
gari thoi ba jingje niyom si khara khang ba di wal ai makho khang de ko khang da ba adai khabam khang da ba okto sin ba roina mi ama urena sane khamjalak ba moi sum passenger du gi pam bai budi khamini paisa gi tholok pani na aduga khambam khang da ba si run lama yaw yaw da ba si haininge ide adubu gari license piba kaidoba sida ai isagi haijabai sangdo four wheeler gi sang haire haga four wheeler gi pibiba two wheeler gi sang da haire haga two wheeler gi pibiba adugi magi capacity ai haibai sang do tawraga niyom do khanga ga farakadra.
The roads in Imphal are not smaller or less in quality and quantity as compared to the other neighboring states of northeast like Nagaland, Mizoram, Meghalaya and Assam. But the traffic problems and the chaos that we face every day in the streets of Imphal is due to the irresponsible driving, parking and excessive use of horns by the drivers and the commuters that talks out on the streets every day. When the other people around the globe are striving their life to settle on other planets, how long the people of Manipur have to struggle for a tiny problems called the traffic chaos? The big question remains on who is responsible for this traffic chaos or traffic problems in the city. Every responsible citizen in the state is equally responsible, and not only the government department or the traffic personnel who are regulating the traffic movement on the streets are responsible for this. With camera person Rosan Yimnam, this is Blessing Gangmai for Tom TV News, Thangmaiban.
Well, it's time now for a short break.
Sri Krishna Classical Yoga Group India New Delhi ki team Imphal da thunglare North East ki oina yoga gi oza humfu selection tawzaragani lakliba megi tang taruk Englishing aniga taraga mapan ningthokaba numit ki ayuk pung mapan dagi nungthil pung ahum phawba Classic Hotel Imphal da interview tawragani saruk yabining basingna Aadhaar card amadi masa masagi biodata natraga resume pubiraktuna saruk yabiba yagani paujenjariba Sri Krishna Classical Yoga Group of India Manipur branch contact number 8109939887.
Welcome back after the break. Duthan, the traditional fishing festival of Anal tribe was held at Anal Kuno of Chandel district. The festival was organized by Anal Kulen Viong Committee with the aim to bring together all the Anal tribes residing in different places. Duthan is one of the important festivals of Anal tribe in which the Anal people spend the night on the Chakpi river banks once a year to signify the bond among the people. During the festival, a plant called Jaila is shocked in the water and villagers catch fish from the water. In this celebration, they do not use any harmful substances which may harm the environment. The village chief of Anal Kuno, T.L. Thungil, said that this festival is held at the beginning of May before the harvesting season. He expressed happiness as Anals from different villages are taking part in the festival.
Hoji pai pushina hojik matamashi panlo jalaga mai tha boloiba adagi sang saba mangkhomba loiraga me tha first week askumbasida jai khudingi phau tharamdaida festival moina jai thabacha che hena khonja punamak tamaga haunaraga jai loraga nongma jai loe doge ahingama legaga ahi chupa thabak kari churaga adagi hek nonga amaga jai jai bini ponna panthongmina basida herna mayam basiyamna thagachari.
Vuncho Augustine Vungsong of Anal Kulen said that then villagers do not take much importance in catching fishes as their festival rather symbolizes the love between the villages.
Akoina si pangthokribagi saktamdi akoi chahi amada asigumlaba amarak pangthokpa haibase akoigi community gi oina wakan pukling mana ningai akoi nungsi chanana ningai gi haibudi akoina sum tawbu matamda mayam sina pharaga akoi ngasi gi oina di akoi asi akoi gi catch mayam se phaba mayam se akoi sida pulle harga akoi chak chara am khatang jo akoi chana bagi akoi community khungang gi jati gi hoina si pangthokjarabani.
A 30-member team of third batch students of the Rise Creative Solutions Private Limited Luang Sangam has left Imphal for Hyderabad today for the on-job training and job placement session. The students were earlier given free training for 2 months at the Rise Creative Solutions Private Limited. The institute has been providing training to many students under the Din Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushalya Yojana DDU-GKY of the Ministry of Rural Development and Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission. The Rise Creative Solutions Private Limited had earlier sent the first and second batch of trained students who are now working with reputed companies in Hyderabad. The institute is successfully training the fourth batch and fifth batch of students. Royal Riders Manipur today kick-started its 11th Mahoksa Imaning Singtha, a month-long environmental campaign which will conclude on World Environment Day, which falls on June 5th. Royal Riders Manipur has been organizing the campaign since 2008 under the theme of World Environment Day as conceived by the United Nations. This year's edition of the campaign is being held under the slogan Air Pollution as part of the campaign. A sticker campaign was held at Kangla Gate. A tree plantation drive will be organized at Thobal Ningombam on May 12th, a health camp at Henglep, Churachandpur district, and a sport painting competition on the theme of environment and air pollution on May 26th at Wangkai Puzalam Park. Nodal Officer of Ministry of Human Resource Development, Birahari College, Khundarakpam, has rejected the claim by the 16-member governing body of the college that the governing body of the institute has embezzled fund. Nodal Officer Chanambam Norin said this during a press meet held at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. He mentioned that the report of the inquiry committee constituted by the government to probe the fund misappropriation charges has clearly stated that the accusation is baseless.
Moina by name the talk of the Venezuelan GB resolution the by name Tokugi Yawedu GB Nangamde Education Korokan 1982 rule number 27 D Matungina talk of the one ever when there's a gomen Namasana letter Tarakravani Adu Matang Yeho never allegations. Korokan the Lane Torok Paduka Ki with the Noitavi Shai the Seta Raduga High Bamona Idi Chemayamse. She proof in a PBU have.
Let's take a short break once again.
Kangla Packaged Drinking Water, a unit of Lamjingba Group, Chingmang Poising, Nambol, Bishnupur District, Manipur, 795134. We aim to provide minerals added and purified drinking water to every household of the state, Manipur, ensuring good and healthy life for all. Silent features, RO-treated purified water, added minerals, state-of-art infrastructure water plant, processed and packaged under hygienic condition, sterilized water bottles, natural and clear stream water source, features and benefits, free home delivery, a filled jar free subscription on registration, 1 month free subscription on registration, Rs 500 registration fee, 30 bottles per month, that is 600 liters, Rs 250 subscription fee per month, 2 months free on subscription of a year. Subscription type, monthly Rs 250, half yearly Rs 1500, quarterly Rs 750, yearly Rs 3000. For more details, please contact us at 8257 888 737 or email us at lamjingbakanglawwater@gmail.com.
Welcome back. Voting in the fifth phase of polling in Lok Sabha elections held across 51 Lok Sabha constituencies in 7 states. Nearly 9 crore voters will decide the fate of 674 candidates, including political bigwigs Rajnath Singh, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and Smriti Irani. Voting took place in 14 seats in Uttar Pradesh, 12 in Rajasthan, 7 seats each in West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh, 5 in Bihar and 4 in Jharkhand. Over 52% voting has been recorded across the country as of 5 p.m. 2 grenade attacks took place at polling booths in Jammu and Kashmir's Pulwama. However, there are no reports of casualties. Meanwhile, in West Bengal, BJP candidate from Barakpur, Arjun Singh, alleged that he was attacked by TMC workers. Cases of EVM malfunctioning in Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal too were reported. Charges of both rigging and booth capture were alleged by BJP's Smriti Irani and Loket Chatterjee. In Assam, Bharalumukh police arrested 2 women in Bhutnath for allegedly dealing with drugs today. Acting on a tip-off, the officer in charge and his team conducted a raid in Bhutnath area in Guwahati and arrested the 2 women. The team seized 14 plastic tubes containing suspected brown sugar, approximately 2.1 grams, and drugs from the 2 women. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) has announced the results of Class 10 examination today. Of the 17.6 lakh students who appeared in CBSE's Class 10 examination, 91.1% have passed the examination. The CBSE Class 10 examinations were held from February 2nd to March 29, and more than 18 lakh candidates appeared the examination. 13 students have scored 499 out of 500 marks in the CBSE Class 10 exams. This time, the result was declared within 38 days. Last year's CBSE Class 10 result was declared after 55 days. Once again, Thiruvananthapuram emerged as the best performing region in CBSE Class 10 examination. Last year, students from Thiruvananthapuram had the best pass percentage of 99.85%, followed by Chennai 99% and Ajmer 95.89%. Mizoram police have arrested 12 suspected Rohingya refugees, including 8 women and 4 boys, for illegally entering the state from Bangladesh. According to police, these suspected Rohingyas entered Mizoram from Bangladesh without valid travel documents. They were arrested from a house in Baukong area, according to sources. Police suspected that they were victims of human trafficking. Prime Minister Narendra Modi conducted an aerial survey of Puri and Khurda district to get first-hand information about the devastation caused by extremely severe cyclonic storm Fani. Expressing shock over the magnitude of damage during a review at Bizu Patnaik International Airport, the Prime Minister offered all possible help to the state to tide over the crisis and wanted the Odisha government to share its disaster management skills so that other states could be apprised on the issue. Chief Minister of Odisha Naveen Patnaik, seeking central assistance for building disaster-resilient infrastructure, laid emphasis on power sector. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also praised Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik's handling of the cyclone Fani after conducting an aerial survey to assess the loss and destruction caused by the storm. Modi announced an aid of rupees 1,000 crore on top of the rupees 381 crore the centre had announced earlier. At least 41 people died when an Aeroflot airliner burst into flames while making an emergency landing at Moscow's Sheremetyevo International Airport yesterday. The Sukhoi SSJ-100, operated by national airline Aeroflot, had 73 passengers and 5 crew members on board when it touched down and sped down a runway, spewing huge flames and black smoke. The victims included 1 member of the crew and at least 2 teenagers. Desperate passengers were leaping out of the plane onto inflatable evacuation slides and staggering across the airport's tarmac and grass. Some holding luggage. The SSJ-100, also known as the Superjet, is a 2-engine regional jet put into service in 2011 with considerable fanfare as a signal that Russia's troubled aerospace industry was on the rise. The plane's manufacturer, Sukhoi Civil Aircraft, said the plane in Sunday's accident had received maintenance at the beginning of April. The plane is largely used in Russia as a replacement for outdated Soviet-era aircraft, but also has been used by airlines in other countries, including Armenia and Mexico. This is the second fatal accident involving a SSJ-100. In 2012, a demonstration flight in Indonesia struck a mountain, killing all 45 on board.
Staff issued a distress signal.
Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Academic discourse studies idea of Northeast. Taked Amur Falcon Longlamp Macros Notice. all set for fifth phase of Lok Sabha polls. Funny induced low pressure to bring heavy rain to Northeast. Imphal Free Press. 2 voting machines found inadvertently kept outside designated strong rooms. Race for backwardness to get government benefits needs to be changed, says PB Acharya. Hollywood fans return home without a real 3D experience. KPL Trust to construct Sanamahi worshipping place. The People's Chronicle. Poor bridge job likely to strain India-Myanmar relation. March Litul Gogoi loses 6 months seniority. Why government sees only 1 hero, not 3? 3 held, nearly 3 kg drugs seized. 51% in 7 states to vote in 5th phase today. The Morning Bell. Empowerment of education, electricity, employment needed for development, says Nagaland Governor. Army headquarters confirms court-martial verdict against Major Gogoi. Imphal city once again reduced to garbage dump. Developed sense of environment preservation in children, says Bala.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Infuriated Kaino locals blocked Tidim Road demanding quick justice in Siamo killing. Oinam Water Supply Scheme official rubbishes Salai Holdings Private Limited's claim. And small-scale industry proves a boon for the state economy. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.